My name is Varshika and today I'm going to tell you how to make Rakhi. And this Rakhi is very amazing and very useful for your brothers and all, and they will like it very much. So for this you need, I've cut a heart, and inside that also I've cut a heart and stickers, Fevicol and a piece of ribbon, but it should be of the width of your brother's hand, or it can be of normal size. So let's start making it. Now I am taking a sample photo, and here you need to put glue. You need to put glue over here. You need to take the ribbon and paste it like this, and now cover it with this heart. Gently place it and see. And now you can decorate it with your stickers. See, it was so easy, Rakhi, that it just completed in 1 minute. It was so easy and you can make it so easily. So are you satisfied with it? It is very easy. Your brother will like this very much. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. And also don't forget to, while clicking on the subscribe channel, please also click on the bell so that all the notifications of my video will come to you. Thank you.